How's it going, guys? It's Blade Fury 26 here, bringing you guys another hockey video on the channel. So this is the same beer league that I had at the end of the season last year. But as of right now, I do not have another ice time. Hopefully that will change soon. I've been offered. I just need some stuff to work out before I can actually go out to the new ice time. So hopefully I can bring the camera out there too and record everything. But yep, I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys at the end of it.
Fuck you, Tyson.
Fuck you, Tyson. No, I seem to remember something that happened last year, right, Camp? Oh wait, yeah, that's right. This happened. Yeah, right here. So Cookie, what happened? Like, what happened here? Like, explain to me. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. I know it wasn't the longest video, but there really wasn't much that happened. So, like I said, we don't know if we're going to have any more ice times, but hopefully we do. I will upload videos whenever I can on that. But with the new NHL coming around, I am going to be uploading more NHL videos again. This is primarily going to be a hockey channel again. So hopefully there's some content in there. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like on the video, If you're new around here, I also do Twitch at twitch.tv/BladeFury26. Put a link in the description. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Peace.